Let's go across to our guest joining us. Harish Khurana is spokesperson of the BJP. Umesh Sehgal is former chief secretary in the national capital. Anmol Panwar is spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Ashish Dikshit is lawyer, also joining us. Harish Khurana, I do start with you. I know that the Aam Aadmi Party is now in control of the MCD. It has been under your control for many, many years. And frankly, that's not the issue here. As I said, regardless of who controls the MCD, it is clear that this body doesn't work for Delhiites. There is rampant corruption. Harish Khurana, I am from Delhi. I know this. There is rampant corruption in the MCD. No party change has changed this scenario. It is the citizens who suffer. Nothing happens to the MCD itself.
Shivani, before I comment to what you have asked, I would like to pay a condolence to the family deceased family who have lost 3 people who have lost their life. From the BJP side, we want to pay a condolence to them. Now, you're talking about only MCD. No, it's a clear-cut case of a corruption from Delhi administration also. I'll tell you what the reason is. A month before, student writes a letter to MCD that the desilting has not happened, and due to that, some incident can happen. No action was being taken at that point of time. Desilting has been done only in papers. On the ground, if you see, not only Rajendra Nagar, if you see whole Delhi, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, half an hour rain will pour whole Delhi into ransom because of the rain. We have seen in the past also, we have posted many videos on this. So my point is, the people who are involved is PWD and the MCD. MCD culprit is, the reason is because of illegal construction. One of the reason is this. And also, they have not done the desilting. So PWD is also involved in this, and the MCD is also involved in this. You have holded the owner of that institute. Fine, very good, you have done that. But what about the ground people who are responsible?
Say so no action gets taken on them, na? That's exactly the question that citizens in Delhi are asking.
Shivani, that's what I'm saying.
No officials ever land up in jail, even if they get suspended.
Shivani, that's what I'm saying. We should launch a criminal negligence case against these people, whether it's a politician, whether it's a higher authority, whether whoever it is. We are seeing 4 days pehle, we have not taken a thing. 4 days before in Patel Nagar, one of the also UPSC aspirant has died because of electrification on that. We have not taken that into scenario also. How many people will die in this? No action, only.
But Harish Khurana, you are
a topi transfer. Topi transfer. LG is blameable. Why? PWD comes under directly to you. 2 years before you says कि MCD responsible है. अरे आज तो MCD आपके पास है. Who is responsible now?
No, that question, of course, the Aam Aadmi Party will answer. But you know, my question is larger, and the problem we are facing is larger. Yes, there is a multiplicity of authorities in the national capital. I am not sure, I discussed this a few days ago, I am not sure if it runs to the benefit of the national capital. It always creates lacunas and problems for us because each agency passes the buck to the other. We've really got to come together and do something about this. This is the national capital we're talking about. It should be an example for the rest of the country and the rest of the world. But you are only blaming the Aam Aadmi Party today, Harish Khurana, because they are in government, so they control PWD, DJB, etc., and they are in MCD. Till 2-3 years ago also, I am not going to deny the fact that this accident could have happened 2-3 years ago also, when the BJP was in control of the MCD.
Shivani, please understand 2 things. Last year we see a flood situation in Delhi because of what? Desilting of that. We have not done your desilting, PWD department not done. This year also, this is not a first case. I mean, people have died. It's sad. But whole Delhi, if you see a whole Delhi scenario, a small water, a small rain for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, look at the situation in Delhi, what is happening. You are saying you have done a lot of work of desilting, but only on papers.
Okay.
Still corruption should
Anmol
not end.
Panwar, please respond to this.
And also, 10 seconds, ma'am. We need a full-time chief minister, ma'am. Where is our chief minister? He's in jail, and you cannot run a whole Delhi administration through a jail. We should understand that. हमें किसको responsible माने? Chief Minister is answerable to everything, but unfortunately, he's in jail, enjoying over there. Whatever he's doing, I don't know what he's doing over there.
Okay, I'll come to the Chief Minister issue in just a bit, but Anmol Panwar, answer this question. The basic premise of the Aam Aadmi Party in its core and in its politics is that we are different from others. And over the last 10 years, and 10 years is a long period to be in power uninterrupted. You've been in power in the national capital, you've been in power now in the MCD. You're running out of excuses to give.
Shivani ji, we must not act ignorant because we all are learned. We all know what's going on in Delhi, and every citizen of Delhi knows that the real culprit is the BJP, which in collusion with the LG and the official is actively working to turn the lives of all the Delhiites into a nightmare. And the video which was posted by the Honorable Minister, Mr. Saurabh Bhardwaj, it serves as an evidence that our ministers were repeatedly demanding desilting before the rain started. On 13 February 2024, a meeting was called by the Delhi Cabinet Minister, Mr. Saurabh Bhardwaj, for interdepartmental coordination on desilting drains and addressing waterlogging. But none of the department secretaries attended the meeting. Even the chief secretary didn't come. So it is for the BJP to answer that why are they intentionally and deliberately halting this desilting. And the LG is responsible for this because the officials directly report to him.
1 second, you're saying halting the desilting. Can I just come in here? Because the MCD is saying they've done all the desilting by the end of June.
Yes.
So how is it halted?
Let me complete. Let me take you through the chronology of
First,
events. Let me complete.
First settle this.
Shivani, I'll address this. I'll address this question, but let me complete. After 13th of February, another meeting was called on 20th of May, wherein Mr. Saurabh Bhardwaj again requested timelines for the completion of desilting various drains along with the current status, which was to be provided within a week. And as a preemptive measure, again on June 5th, he wrote to the Chief Secretary. But eventually, when the letter was written on 14th June to the Home Ministry, stating that the Chief Secretary is not responding, then he said in a meeting that 85% of the drains have been desilted. And finally, after receiving the list from all the departments, it was shared with the Assembly Group for verification. And it was found that the drains were filled with silt up to the brim, despite the claim made by the officials that desilting was done.
So whose responsibility is that?
The officials. It is the responsibility of all the officials who are working in collusion with the LG.
Yeah, so what action are you taking on them?
Bharatiya Janata Party. It is... See, Shivani, please don't tag it. Sir, बीच में मत बोलिए. आप बीच में मत बोलिए.
दिल्ली के
आप बीच में मत बोलिए. लोगों के कमर में छुरा घोप रहे हो आप. शर्म नहीं आ रही आपको? आपके ऑफिशियल्स भ्रष्टाचार कर रहे हैं. एलजी साहब से कहिए उनसे एक्शन ले. एलजी साहब से कहिए उनसे एक्शन ले. यहाँ पे आप अनपढ़ों की तरह बात मत कीजिए. आप अनपढ़ लोगों की तरह बात मत कीजिए. यहाँ पे हिम्मत है आपके एलजी साहब में हिम्मत है कार्रवाई करने की. भ्रष्टाचार लोगों के कमर में छुरा घोप रहे हो. दिल्ली वासियों को धोखा दे रहे हो और यहाँ पे आके झूठ बोल रहे हो.
Okay, 1 second. Can I just come in? Can I just come in? You know, this is why people have just had enough. Harish Khurana, I'll give you an opportunity. Just hold on. Just hold on. No, 1 second. But you didn't answer my question. Okay, but you didn't